Welcome to Tiny Calm Learners. Let's learn colors with fruits. Red, apple. Red apple. Nice job. Yellow, banana. Yellow banana. Great. Green, pear. Green pear. Good job. Orange, orange. Orange is bright. Purple, grapes. Purple grapes. Well done. Blue, blueberry. Blue, blueberry. Nice. Pink, dragon fruit. Pink dragon fruit. Yum. Brown, sapodilla. Brown sapodilla. Nice. Which one is red? Point and say. Yes, the apple is red. Which one is yellow? Point and say. The banana is yellow. Great! Great job! See you next time on Tiny Calm Learners. Bye-bye!